on today because I wanted to show you guys something that I just discovered not too long ago that I feel like is such a fun hack for making a really delicious, easy meal. And that is what's called the TikTok wrap. I didn't make the name up. I think it just got named that because somebody on TikTok came up with this brilliant idea. It's like mind-blowing brilliant. And it just went viral, and there you go. So first of all, if you guys have not heard of TikTok, I'm just gonna put a little warning out there. It's an app you can download, and it is so fun, but it's like a vortex because they have everything on there, and oh my gosh. I can't even open the app unless I know I actually have time to sit and look, because I kid you not, a half hour will go by and you're like, that felt like 2 minutes. So it's just a really fun place, and but it's also a vortex. So don't download it unless you have time. And then the other reason I wanted to put this specifically on my YouTube is for 2 reasons. One, I know that some people that follow me here on YouTube, thank you, do not follow me on Instagram. And I have made both of these videos on my Instagram, and I realized I should put these on my YouTube. So I felt like I already made 2 videos, so I didn't want to make a whole new one. So I'm just gonna take the 2 videos I made on my Instagram and I'm gonna put them on here. And I made 2 different videos because most wraps are round, but I personally really love the Cutdabcarbs wraps because I feel like for Weight Watchers, they are just huge and low in points. And I just think they're a great product. So I also made one that was with that wrap, but there are some other square wraps that are out there. So I felt like this really awesome idea that was meant for circles could also work for squares. The other reason I'm putting it on there is I don't know if you guys knew this because I have not actually announced this on my YouTube that I can remember, but I started a website. I make Weight Watcher friendly meal plans. And I also have low carb on there. I have a vegan one on there, and at some point I want to get a vegetarian one on there. And one of my recipes that's coming up soon, I put the TikTok wrap on there. And I was like, oh dang, not everybody knows how to do that. So I thought I should have a video that I can put on my website for people to go to as a tutorial, and that's what this is here. So anyways, let's go ahead and dive in and let me show you guys those 2 videos. Super easy. If your mind is not blown by how easy this is, you just got to try it. If you guys are interested in my meal plans at all, I am going to link the website down below in the description box. I did want to say, I think they are so good, so amazing. I've gotten so many messages from people saying that quite a few they've said it's helped them lose weight, which that's awesome. That's definitely a whole perk of having these meal plans out there, is just to help people on their weight loss journey. 2, a lot of people have said it has saved them grocery money. All my ideas are very simple, easy, affordable recipes. And I personally am very proud of that because I feel like, you know, I'll go online to look up a recipe, and if I see there's like 500 steps, 500 ingredients, I'm like, no way. I don't have the time or the energy or even the money to buy all those ingredients. So I'm just really proud of the fact that a lot of my recipes are really simple and really easy to do. And then there's a lot of ideas on there too. I don't do very many repeats, and if there are some repeats, I try to like change it up. So for instance, I'll just use avocado toast as an idea. 1 week it'll just be like, I don't know, I guess regular avocado toast. And then 3 or 4 weeks from now, you'll see avocado toast on there again, but I've added a twist to it, like throwing on some cilantro and chopped onions and tomatoes on top, something like that. I mean, that's just a random thought. But anyways, I hope that you guys get a chance to check it out. Right now, pretty much all of the proceeds of that is going to Disney because I'm trying to save up for annual passes for next year. And then, you know, we definitely like to get treats when we're at Disney. And I try to share that here a little bit on YouTube, but definitely a lot on my Instagram. And that is funded by my meal plans, a lot of it too. I am planning on, as a side note, actually putting together a Weight Watcher Disney video. And my plan is that I want to go to each theme park and show you a breakfast, a lunch, and a dinner that is not connected to like all the holiday stuff, because they feel like they're constantly rotating foods there due to all the different holidays and events that they're hosting there all the time. So there's always all these new foods, which I love. But I feel like it's really nice if you are wanting to stay on track at Disney to find some good healthy options. Anyways, okay, I'm rambling. You guys, I hope that you guys enjoy those TikTok wraps, and there's endless possibilities of what you could put inside. So be creative with it, have fun with it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.